Number 6, I'm trying to solve the systems of equations by using the substitution method. And with the substitution method, our first step is you need to isolate one of your 4 variables. So I have 4 choices here, and you could actually choose any of them. I'm going to choose to isolate this one because if you choose any of the other ones, you're going to have to deal with fractions. Not that you can't deal with fractions, but most people try to avoid that. So the blue y is what I want to isolate for. So I'm going to move that 4x to the other side. So I have negative y is equal to 9 minus 4x. And then with that negative sign, I want to divide everything by negative 1. So y is going to be equal to negative 9 plus 4x. My next step is I want to plug this into the other equation. So don't plug it back into the blue equation. Make sure you plug it into the y for the green equation. And what that looks like, I'm going to copy the green equation but leave a big open parentheses where I see the y because I'm plugging this in. So right now I have one equation plugged into the other one, and you should only see one type of variable here. So there's different colors, but these are all x's. I don't have any y's, and x is mixed. So as long as you have one letter, then that's kind of a check that you're on the right track. If you have a mixed match of x and y still, then something's gone wrong. Okay, so I need to distribute and solve for x. So if I distribute this, it's going to be 3x plus 45 minus 20x is equal to 11. If I combine the x's, I get negative 17x plus 45 is equal to 11. If I subtract 45 from both sides, negative 17x is equal to negative 34. And then divide both sides by negative 17, and x is equal to 2. So we're almost done. We have one of our coordinates. We just need to get the y coordinate. So I need to take x is equal to 2, and I need to plug it into one of my original equations, or the original equation rearranged. And I'm actually going to do the rearranged version because y is already by itself, and that's what we're solving for. So y is equal to negative 9 plus 4x. But I know what x is. It's 2. So I'm plugging in 2. So y is equal to negative 9 plus 8, and y is equal to negative 1. So my final answer, my intersection point, is 2, negative 1.